As an AI or data science student preparing for the next wave of high-value jobs, you need projects that prove you can work on real scientific problems, and this genomics pattern analyzer gives you exactly that edge. Imagine building an AI system that reads DNA the way models read text. That is the power you develop here. This project uses machine learning to study genomic sequences and uncover patterns, mutations, and disease-related variations hidden inside massive DNA and RNA datasets. It matters in 2025 to 2027 because healthcare is shifting toward personalized treatment, and that requires AI models that understand a person's genetic makeup. Companies are struggling to process exploding volumes of genomic data, so they need engineers who can combine biology and machine learning. Real applications include identifying harmful variants linked to hereditary disorders, predicting a person's genetic risk for specific diseases, analyzing drug responses based on genetic signatures, and tracing ancestry through population genetics. Recruiters value this because it shows you can work in a domain where AI talent is scarce and demand is growing fast in genomics labs, pharmaceutical research, biotech startups, and precision medicine companies. This slide sets the foundation for a project that can elevate your placement profile instantly. If you want to stand out in AI hiring, you need skills that go beyond basic machine learning, and this slide shows you exactly what makes a genomics engineer unique. You begin by understanding the structure of DNA and RNA, the concept of genetic variation, and how gene expression works. This gives you biological intuition that many candidates lack. You then add machine learning skills focused on sequence analysis. You learn how to build models that classify genomic sequences, detect structural motifs, and identify mutations using CNNs and RNNs. These models treat DNA almost like time series or language data, which makes them perfect for you as an AI student. You sharpen your ability to engineer features, reduce dimensionality, and cluster patterns to discover insights from large sequences. You also work with essential tools such as Python, BioPython, R, PyTorch, TensorFlow, Pandas, and scikit-learn. Strong computational thinking is important here because genomics often deals with huge datasets that require big data processing, fast computation, visualization, and cloud support. Recruiters value the blend of biology, ML, and engineering shown in this slide because it proves you can operate in an interdisciplinary field that is in high demand. This roadmap helps you grow from student to industry-ready engineer by guiding you through each phase with clarity. You begin with foundational genetics in genomic file formats like FASTA and FASTQ. This step helps you understand how raw biological data is stored and processed. Next, you gather real datasets from major genomic repositories and clean them so they can be used reliably. You then move into feature extraction, where you convert DNA into numerical form using simple encodings and K-MERs so models can read patterns inside sequences. After that, you build machine learning models using CNNs or RNNs and train them to detect disease-associated mutations or regulatory patterns. Validation ensures your model is scientifically meaningful because you compare predictions with known markers and analyze patterns using heat maps and sequence logos. Deployment completes the workflow with a pipeline that automates genomic analysis and cloud systems that handle large genomic files. This entire process takes 10 to 14 weeks for beginners and 6 to 8 weeks for intermediates, giving you practical, portfolio-ready experience. This slide shows you exactly how to execute the project in a structured, industry-aligned way. This slide shows you how the skills from this project directly convert into high-value career paths. With genomics and machine learning combined, you can become a bioinformatics engineer, a computational biologist, a genomic data scientist, or a precision medicine engineer. Each of these roles focuses on turning raw genetic sequences into insights that help researchers, doctors, and biotech companies. Recruiters look for people who understand molecular biology, genomic data formats, machine learning models for sequences, and statistical analysis. They also want clear communication skills and strong portfolios because you often collaborate with biologists and researchers. Salaries in this domain are among the highest in AI due to specialized knowledge involved. Companies like Illumina, 23andMe, Tempus, and Foundation Medicine Hire aggressively for these roles and value candidates who can demonstrate actual genomic projects. This project gives you a differentiator that most AI students do not have. Shows you can contribute to the future of personalized medicine and large-scale biological analysis. Start building this today and put it on GitHub.